Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. So, are you struggling to install Delta Executor on your iOS devices, or even after a successful installation, your Delta app start crashing or does not open at all? Or maybe you are getting that annoying update pop-up again and again. Well, this video covers it all. I'm going to give you 100% guaranteed all-in-one solution that will fix every issues without any revoke or blacklist error. So for that, make sure you watch this video till the end without skipping any part, and don't forget to subscribe Region of Tech to join our Artians family, because almost 97% of you haven't subscribed yet. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, and without any further delay, let's start this video. First of all, go to the link given in the description or in the pin comment and you will get interface like this. This is FlexStore, a powerful side loading tool that let you install apps on your iOS devices without any revoke or blacklist problem. And the best part, no jailbreak, no PC or cable required. The only thing you need is your phone and a stable internet connection. So once you are on its website, click on Get at the top right corner, then click on Share button on your Safari. And yes, if you are using a device running on iOS 26 or above, then this will also work for you because this entire video is recorded on iOS 26. So after tapping the share button on Safari, click on more and then add to your home screen. Once done, the Flex Store icon will appear on your home screen. Open that and allow all notifications. Now you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from the Flex Store, but since we are talking about Delta Executor, we will just focus on that. And yes, I have blurred some parts of this video due to XYZ reason, maybe you know why. And as you can see here, Delta Executor is available and you can install it directly in just one click by just clicking on sign. But before installing, you will need to set up FlexStore first. To do that, go to devices section, then click on add device and then click on allow. Now open your settings app, tap on profile downloaded option at the top, then click on install, enter your passcode and click on install again. After that, you will get a success page like this. Now open the FlexStore again and in the devices section, you will see now your device UDID, certificate and premium access is option. But make sure you are getting green tick in front of certificate and premium, or at least in front of certificate to install apps. To get that green tick, you will see three options under the certificate section. Right now those options are not visible on my iPad because I have already set up it. It's just a one-time process. So let me show you those options on my iPhone instead. You will get these three options: getting a developer certificate and premium directly from the Flex Store. Second, using Apple developer account. Third, using your own certificate. Now here I will not suggest you to go with the third option unless you already have a personal certificate that is in good signed condition and not revoked. Another is Apple developer account, which I don't think most of you have that either. That's why I will suggest you to go with the first option, getting a developer certificate and premium directly from the Flex Store. So just select the plan you want to go with, for example standard or special. After that, select your payment method, enter your billing details and complete the payment. Once done, you will instantly get your personal certificate and premium access and green tick in front of both options. Now you are ready to install apps, and if you already have the IPA file of Delta Executor or any other app, you can just upload that from the signer option and then simply install it. Or if you want to install directly in just one click, for that go to the app library, which is the first option, then select Delta Executor or the app you want to install, then click on sign and then click on install. After that, the app will appear on your home screen and there you will see it is installing without any revoke or blacklist problem. And this time it's not crashing, it is working perfectly. And also there is no update pop-up because FlexStore updates the apps immediately as soon as it launched. And once again, I have blurred some part of this video due to XYZ reason. I hope you understand why. And if you want to see uncensored version of this video, you can join our Telegram channel. I have uploaded it there too. And that's how you can fix all of the issues related to Delta Executor or app not installing and other side loading problems. And it's just not about Delta, you can also install multiple apps directly from the Flex Store in just few clicks. And guess what, some of the apps are exclusively available on Flex Store like Valorant, Cuphead, Fortnite and many more. And yes, if you want to get some extra discount, while getting your personal developer certificate and premium from the Flex store. You can watch this video in the I button. I have revealed a super secret trick to get some huge discount here. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Share it with someone who might need it, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.